shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Did you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't do it. Lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. Soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder. Homie grows hotter. He blows. It's all over. These is all on him. Coast to coast shows. He's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads. God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, 'cause here goes the cold water. These don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. So the soap opera is told. It unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. No more games. I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this and roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, and I can't provide the right type of life for my family. 'Cause man, these food stamps don't buy diapers, and there's no movie, there's no Mekhi Phifer. This is my life, and these times are so hard, and it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus, see this order caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her too much for me to wanna stay in one spot. Another damn monotony's gotten me to the point I'm like a snail. I've got to formulate a plot or end up in jail or shot. Success is my only option. Failure's not. Mama love you, but this trailer's got to go. I cannot grow old in Salem's Lot. So here I go, it's my shot. Feet fail me not. This may be the only opportunity that I got. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. You can do anything you set your mind to, man.
Whoever don't know, best get to know what you cool. Keeping them cups so cold as juice cool. Far from the regular, nothing you used to. Them kind of stylish up and supposed to. mind and soul in tune and lose too. Cooler than cool. Till a bad mind, get out, move from here. Tonight we celebrate like we don't care. You just pump your fist in, stand your foot in. If you can't dance, still swing your tootsie. All nations side for the rebel arrangement, rebel engagement, peace and the lover. Calypso dancer, punk step and the back. New wave, old wave, genre defined. Spinning on the A-list, we know the line is the application of the citation is the iration of gyration is the inclination of them that's inclined to keep the thing mindful is the bigger picture. Biblical descendants, scribes are no scripture. Articulation of the incantation is the foundation of the emancipation is the don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is too cool. Far from the regular nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and boost too. Cooler than cool. So if I don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is too cool. Far from the regular nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and loose too. Cooler than cool. Mind weight, weighty walk roads of many sign distraction, many find time for topic. Bye. Me oh my oh me, tis it so simplistic. Child's play, man's play, could it be sadistic? Headspace locked to them plastic gods, it's too much. It's too many reasons to keep deceiving and keep it believing in the oobla rah, the slogan is the crocodile pain, the crocodile tears. You don't really need that brand new nose, and you don't really need slave shoes and slave clothes, but we're far too busy to keep our mind privy to the blessed, the man and the grammar, the OSD, ready to receive the breeze of cold breeze. All that we need is to plant the good seed, something to live for, something to believe. So if I don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is too cool. Far from the regular nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and loose too. Cooler than cool. So if I don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is too cool. Far from the regular nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and loose too. Cooler than cool. So if I don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is too cool. Far from the regular nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and loose too. Cooler than cool. So if I don't know, let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is too cool. Far from the regular nothing you used to. Them kind of style is something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and loose too. Cooler than cool.
Les mineurs en crise d'adolescence dans leur MP3. À l'heure qu'il est, y'a des familles de 16 dans un petit détroit. Comprends-tu notre acharnement pour expliquer les choses? La musique virale, overdose, on vit ce qu'on nous impose. La jeunesse a le chien neuf toute l'année. Incarcéré, jugé, mal inséré, drogué. On se rappelle plus de la cause, du pourquoi on se bat. On avance les yeux fermés, faut nous sauver. Oh mon Dieu, on souffre de larmes, ça promet. Nos aînés ont-ils eu un parcours trop erroné? Pourtant les pièges où ils ont trébuché, on connaît. L'argent, le matériel font que le pire, on le commet. On connaît à Marseille. Y'a le côté carte postale et le côté cramé. Y'a des mecs des quartiers nord qui n'ont jamais vu le vieux port. Tellement que ça charbonne à la muerte.
Au QG, les projets d'avenir sont de côté. Car chez nous l'urgence vit au jour le jour.
Il reste que des principes en héritage qu'on reversera au nouveau-né. Chante Jeunesse France. Jeunesse France. Jeunesse pense. Jeunesse pense.
Honneur à toute la jeunesse de France, ceux qui se reconnaissent, qui traînent en bas des blocs et pensent qu'il faut pas qu'on se taise. Ceux qui mènent la danse, oui ceux qu'on déteste, à ceux qui n'ont pas peur d'aller au front, même si on les blesse. J'ai partie de cette jeunesse en défaillance, sans complexe, où l'on pense que nos causes auront leurs conséquences. Lève ton poing si l'État t'offense, car au fond, ils assimilent jeunes de quartier à délinquance. Ils veulent pas qu'on se serre, ils veulent pas qu'on les pille, ils veulent pas que la France éparpille. On a l'esprit ouvert, on veut s'en sortir, mais je crois pas qu'ils veulent qu'on réussisse. Donc il faut qu'on avance tous ensemble ensemble car les routes sont pleines d'embûches pour qu'on finisse ensemble.
Tous ensemble,
car on est les enfants de demain. Où les rêves se font pas toujours au lendemain. Allons,
car le moindre chagrin nous fout en détresse. Vie,
je sais car la vie mène avec maladresse. Jeunes somnambules que les rêves
faut avancer.
dédiés aux jeunes étrangers vivant sur le sol français.
Jeunesse France, jeunesse pense, jeunesse pense,
Jeunesse pense, vise l'espace, regarde le monde est immense. Prends ta place, oh jeunesse France, donne naissance à ton indépendance. Fais vite, montre-leur que tes idées ne sont là que pour la gagne, que t'as le potentiel de déplacer des montagnes. Ne laisse pas anesthésier par leurs belles promesses. Ils n'ont que l'oppression pour répondre à nos SOS. Ils veulent pas nous entendre ni nous comprendre. Donc rien à foutre, avance comme tu l'entends. Avant de disparaître, deviens ce que tu dois être. Crois en toi et libère-toi de toutes leurs instructions. Soulève-toi pour faire valoir toutes tes convictions.
Dis-leur qu'on n'est pas le problème mais la solution. Ils nous prennent pour des cons.
jeunesse